Unpopular opinion, I love Trisha Paytas and I love Trisha Paytas' box. That kind of sounds inappropriate. Hey guys, I'm so excited because I just got Trisha Paytas' glitter beep box. Oh my god, it's all wrapped up in here. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Trisha Paytas glitter box. There's been lots of controversy about it, so I just want to open it, talk about it, jump right into it, and I think you should say yes to this subscription box. Oh my god, oh my god! Okay, this is so embarrassing that I'm so excited about this. Oh, look, the first thing I see is the little Trisha. Oh my god, I'm not gonna cry. The reveal! We're gonna open it. Ready? Oh my god, look at this. You have her beautiful, gorgeous face right on the top, just like described. And it's all packaged nicely in here. So yeah, let me just explain. For those of you who don't know, Trisha Paytas is a YouTube star. I watch her a lot. I've been following her for years. A lot of people don't like her. There's lots of different reasons why people don't like her, but I relate to her a lot and I think she's really great because she is very glittery, girly, kind of does ridiculous, crazy things. And there's a lot of people who don't like her just because she is like a girly girl. And that's something I went to art school and I love pink, I love glitz and glam, but for the first freshman year, nobody would talk to me because I liked girly things and they thought I was a cheerleader or something even though I was in art school. But anyway, so she's a little outcasted even though she's not the typical outcast. That's really relatable to me. And she often talks about body positivity on her channel. She talks about mental health on her channel. And she really gives a lot of people inspirations. Whatever you say about her, I love her. I feel better watching her. And I know there's a ton of other people that also love her and their day is brightened by her. So that's why I want to review her box. This box actually contains a lot of travel products. I'm a travel video creator, so I'm going to be reviewing this as a travel influencer or travel video person based on these travel products, okay? So without further ado, let's open the package. Ooh, I'm gonna save all these stickers, by the way. They're so cute. Oh, oh shoot, things are falling out. Oh my god. It is so pretty in pink. Oh my god, so cute. Okay. This is a lot. Oh my god, I don't even want to put it down. I love you, Trisha. So obviously the main travel thing in here is the travel passport. Oh my goodness, this is so sparkly. Let me just focus on this for you. Oh my god, look at how it reflects the light. Let's open this. Let's see. Oh, cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. And I have my passport right next to me. I'm gonna fit it in. I'm not gonna show you my number, of course, but look, it fits in there, perfect. And you can use this as a wallet. It has a bunch of credit card spaces, little pouches here. So this is another good travel product, obviously because it's a passport, but it's also a convenient flat wallet. So a reusable microwave bowl is actually really helpful when you're traveling because there's often times when you are jumping from hotel to hostel and you buy something at the convenience store and you want to heat it up. And a lot of the times in Southeast Asia, because that's where I have travel videos from and where I have traveled, they give you plastic bags to hold things and your food. They'll give you your food in a plastic bag and you can't put that in the microwave. So if you have this and it's collapsible and it's moldable, that's the thing I really like about this too, is that this can fit in your backpack. So I actually saw this and I was like, wow, that's a really cool just product in general that you can use for travel. I'm smiling. I feel like Trisha right now. Oh yes, as you can see, I forgot to mention I'm clearly on the kitchen floor for Trisha, as she does be on the kitchen floor. So how you do this is you pop it out and then you put the adorable little popcorn in the box. Oh, you've got the kernel in the bowl and then you put the cover on top. Then you put it in the microwave. And I saw Trisha's mom do this for 3 minutes, so I'm gonna do this for 3 minutes too. And we are going to eat this together while I show you all the other products. But, oh yeah, I forgot to give you a little close up here. Cute. Yes, I kind of moved my microwave here so I could put this in while I'm talking to you guys. Okay, that is going for 3 minutes. You might hear it in the background, sorry. While that is happening, we're gonna go to the next product that is very good for travel as well. And that is the so cute clear plastic How does she say it? I want to say it just like her. Bag. Me and my plastic bag. If you watch Trisha, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. She has this really funny way of saying bag that I think is just so cute, and I try to say it like that too sometimes. Clear plastic bag with another bag inside of it. And what I really liked is that it's not just one bag, but it is 2 bags, and not just 2 bags, but, oh, it's in here. This actually comes with a strap that you can put on both of these bags. I thought only one of these was able to collapse the strap into it, but you can put it on the little purse and the big purse. So this is kind of multifunctional for traveling. A lot of the times you're gonna go on the beach, and I think this is a really good beach bag. I got some beach stuff right here. Let's see how it all fits. You know, you're all set to go. So cute. Again, same thing with this adorable little purse pouch thing. Yes, you can use this as a makeup little bag, anything that you want to put in there. Traveling, you need as many little pouches as you can possibly get because you have to pack it all in there. It's almost done. Ah! It's like overflowing in there. Ah! It's rated popcorn. Look at that. Oh, popcorn. My whole kitchen floor is covered with popcorn, but it's okay. We got the popcorn, and now we got the fantastic sugary glitter. I wonder if this is under 3 ounces because you can actually use this as a travel carrier for lotions, for anything that's liquid, and you could put it, you could put it in here, and then you could put it in your backpack. And 3 fluid ounces is allowed on a plane. So I don't know if this is, but we're gonna open it and put it all over the popcorn. I just got it all over me. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like strawberry. Drizzle. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, magical. Magical pink. Pink popcorn, pink outfit, pink bowl. Here we go. Let's see how this tastes. Okay. Whoa, that's like candy. That's really weird. I've never had candy popcorn, but I love kettle corn, so this is really good. It's like 10 a.m. right now, but you know, it's always time for popcorn. But yeah, anyways, so this is a great reusable, microwavable container. People are looking at this and they don't really get it. And they think it's just like, you know, a collapsible piece of plastic. They think it's kind of stupid. And that's why a lot of people say this box isn't worth it. But I think you have to give it your own spin. And you know, every product you can use however you want. You don't have to use this just for popcorn. With the other stuff in here, you don't have to use that just as a clear purse. You know what I'm saying? So get creative, people. So the next item right here is this Jade face roller. I guess it's supposed to be for if, here, let me focus on this for you. It's supposed to be if you have a puffy face, you can just kind of roll this on. You can put this in the freezer and I guess it feels really good and it kind of depuffs your face. Well, I saw this and I saw her using it and I thought this would actually be really good to apply sunscreen or tanning oil or something like that because applying sunscreen is a pain in the butt. So if you rub this around and then if you get sunburn, you can actually put aloe vera on here and rub it around and oh my god, that would be amazing because when you're traveling and in Southeast Asia, obviously you're gonna get burnt because you're out in the hot heat. Let me try this. Ooh, oh my god, this feels really good. Ooh, ah. It's already cold for some reason, which is weird. So this is really cool. This is something you could use for travel too. We're gonna bring her back in here. I missed her. We're down to the last couple products. The next one, it is Airy Volumizing Hair Glaze. So here we go. Beautiful. Yes. This is something that people won't really get why this is a travel product, but when you are traveling, your hair is so frizzy, it's dried out from the sun, it's dried out from the pools, the ocean water, and this will actually help. Ooh, oh, it smells so good. I'll put a little bit in my hair because my hair is not perfect. Your hair gets really frizzy when you're traveling because you don't tend to take care of it because you have more important things to do because you're traveling. But this could actually help, you know, defrizz your hair. So let's see what's happening here. There, you can already see in the camera there's a little bit of frizz, but yeah. So now I don't have as many, I don't know if you can see this or not, but my hair looks pretty, can you see? I see it's already shiny, but this is pretty cool. I just took a shower, so my hair was kind of frizzy. Now it's like shiny and smooth, so love that. Also good for traveling. The last two things I'm actually gonna put on my face, and they are the wonderful glow mask and the eyeshadow. This is crazy. Oh my god. So let's go to the glow mask. This is really good for traveling because, as I said before, with the hair stuff, your hair gets frizzy, but your face also can break out. You're eating different foods. You're, again, bathing in different waters of the ocean. Your whole body is being exposed to so much. So any of these things that are small products that can help you kind of like pamper yourself a little bit, that can easily fit in your backpack, are really good for traveling. I'm gonna try this. Oh, beautiful. Oh my god. All right, you know what I gotta do now. I gotta do that close-up of that glitter here. How do I open this? Ooh, look at this. I got a gold one. I got the gold one. I didn't know it came in different colors. I just thought it was pink. So let's get a close-up of this again. Ooh, baby, baby. Yes. Ah, oh, this is nice and cold too. Oh my god, this is cute. James Charles Who, look at me with my highlight. Do you see it reflecting? It smells really good. All right, I have to wait till this dries completely and then I'm gonna wash it off. So I think I'm gonna do that. So I'll be right back. And we're back. So we have the last product, and that is the glitter. So the directions say, I need my scissors to open it, that you just put the gel on and then put the glitter on. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I have the gel. Let's just kind of, yeah, I'm just gonna go for it. I mean, I'm not gonna go too close to my eyes, just in case. I'm not a beauty person, so this may be uneven application, but we're gonna just see what happens. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at, I see all the individual stars. That's so cute. Very beautiful. Wow, this is just so pretty. I'm just gonna keep staring at this. No, I'm just kidding. All right, back to me. So let's put this on my eyelid. I have the whole look here now. This is really cool. I'm sure it would look cooler if I actually put it all over my eye, but I'm really impressed with how it looks. Just a few little dribblings on there. This is probably the one thing that could pass or go as a travel product, but this is just really fun. That's the last product, but I forgot to show you guys this beautiful picture of her that I get to keep forever, that I can like, I'm literally gonna put this in a frame. I think she looks stunning here. I love the pose, I love the glitter, I love her natural face right here. And as you guys know, if you love Trisha, there's a lot of pictures of her that may be inappropriate, so I really like this because it was kind of an appropriate picture that I could like hang up in my office and people wouldn't be like, what? So let's see what she says to me. Oh, a little thank you note. Your support means the world to me and I hope you enjoy your very first glitter beep box. XOXO Trisha. Eee, so cute. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. That's awesome. So that's the last product and I'm going to give my final review. My overall review of this is that I think it's getting a reputation that is kind of a little bit unvalid because people are saying that you can find everything in here for cheaper, which of course is probably true, but all subscription boxes are priced up. You know, it's a curated box, so you don't have to think about any of these products. You don't have to decide for yourself which thing you want to get. She put it all in here nice and pretty, and again, I got it because I'm a traveler and I make travel videos, so I would actually use all of these when traveling. So that's why I got it. I don't know about every box, but this one is an A+. Say yes to the Trisha Paytas box. Woo! So that is all for today, guys. But wait, I gotta show you the mess on my floor. It is ridiculous. Oh my god. Look, I have popcorn, splattered glitter all over the floor. That's what you don't see, is the behind the scenes of these unboxings. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you know of any other YouTubers that have travel products. I would really like to review those. And I'm in Boston, so I'm gonna be going to Trisha Paytas' tour in Boston in October. If there's any Bostonians out there that also love Trisha like me, please comment below so we can be friends and tell me if you're going to the concert because I want to meet you and say hi. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching. I make travel videos every Tuesday all over Southeast Asia. I traveled for 2 years, so I have a bunch of videos in Vietnam, Tokyo, everywhere. I will see you next time on Deanna Try Travels. Bye!